So here comes the uh, pre-consolidation pressure. What is pre-consolidation pressure? So just look at the graph. We'll plot a graph between E wide ratio and log of uh, pressure. Here, in our case, it will be P, it can be stress, anything else. So we'll obtain a curve like this. Okay. Now what we need to do is we'll indicate the point of maximum curvature. Let's say along this curvature, this is the point of maximum curvature. In the next step, we'll draw a horizontal straight line, that is AC. In the next step, we'll draw a tangent at this point of maximum curvature, or let's say it is AB. Now in the next step, we'll draw angle bisector of AC and AB. We'll cut, it means the half of these two lines. So this is the half angle AF. So in the next step, we'll extend the linear portion of end of this curve backward, where it intersect the angle bisector line corresponding to this is pre-consolidation pressure. So let's do it, that how we determine basically pre-consolidation pressure. So let's say this is the graph of E versus log of P, and this is the curve. Let's say this is the curve. Now first step is to indicate the point of maximum curvature. Let's say this is the point of maximum curvature. Next step is draw straight horizontal line. We have drawn it. Now draw a tangent at this point. Let's say this is the tangent of this point. Now draw angle bisector of this line and this line, tangent. Let's say this is the angle bisector line. Now extend the end of linear portion of this curve. Let's say this is, sorry, it's a little bit mistake. We'll erase it. We'll draw it again. Let's say this. So we'll extend the linear portion of end of this curve backward. So where it intersect the angle bisector line corresponding to this x-axis value is pre-consolidation pressure. So this is how we determine the pre-consolidation pressure. Now, so this is the actual graph of value we have obtained from the practical values. So this is wide ratio and log of pressure. So you can see point of maximum curvature, will draw a horizontal line, then draw a tangent at this point like this. Then angle bisector of these two lines will be this. Then extend the linear portion of this curve backward like this, where it intersects the angle bisector line. Corresponding to this, we have pre-consolidation pressure. So in this case, it is 2.2 kg per centimeter square.